I'm here today with the plaintiff in my client and the plaintiff in a lawsuit, Gretchen Cooper and Barb Herold, and we have had the honor today of meeting Manal al-Sharif, one of our heroes, and an activist in the same cause. How does it feel? How do you feel about meeting the women here in Minnesota today? Yep.
Okay, so first of all, I was surprised when Mr. Sabiti told me that there is a lawyer from Minnesota when I meet you, and I had no clue that this, because I read about this in the news, and I had no clue that it happened here. And I was just reading this that you gave me. Gender justice, 3 Minnesota women were recently fired, several Saudi women were recently jailed. Why? And I love this because you say here, get engaged. Thank you. I'm really touched by what I was reading and you were telling me and the ladies here. Thank you, Lisa.
Oh, thank you so much for making time for us. It's just
oh my God,
wonderful.
Of course. So I'm flying now, but
yeah.
I'm honored to meet other women like you. And America, I thought that people really, I wouldn't say they don't care, but I would say they're less engaged with other people out of the US. Problems. And I'm touched really that you had all this campaign happening. Really, thank you. And I can't wait to go online and look at your Facebook page.
Thank you. But you know, it works the other way too. I don't think when we called our press conference and Gretchen and Barb were available to the media to speak, I don't think we would have had any coverage if it wasn't tied at the same time to supporting the women in Saudi Arabia, because your story was on the New York Times and all around the world, and we were able then to publicize that this is happening right here in Minnesota to us.
It's amazing. I looked at a picture of Gretchen with her daughter Naima. It was crazy, that picture, by the way. It was all over. Saudis were putting it all over, and she looked, by the way, the girl, she looked more Arab.
Yes, that's true.
Everyone is asking, who's this girl? And
she's my daughter, and she's the reason.
Today I know.
Yeah,
we stand up for this important thing, right? I've waited to meet you for 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. I've been following you, reading, listening to your lectures, listening to your speeches. You're just such an inspiration.
Oh my God, thanks.
I have had your picture on my refrigerator for a year and a half from a magazine I tore it.
I'm touched, really. And it's in Minnesota.
Yes, and you're
what a
only an
coincidence.
hour away from us. Thank you for coming.
Thanks. She has 2 daughters now.
Yes, Naima and Gianna.
And I think, you're going to give them a better future, and hopefully that helps us too.
And when they're old enough to get their driver's license, if they want to be a chauffeur, if they would like to drive as their chosen employment, I hope that they have that opportunity to do that and not have their rights taken away.
I wish you all the luck.
Thank you. You too. I hope to see you again.
Thanks, Lisa.
Thank you.